And we live, baby, and we live. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Y'all know what to do. Slide over there to YouTube. The first cousin that get over there, put it in the chat, say, we here, let's do it. And we gonna start recapping this price. Man, when I tell you, this is exactly what I wanted to see today for the spy to do. I'm geeked up because this is exactly what I've been talking about. This is exactly what I've been waiting for. Man, y'all pull up. First cousin over there say, we here, man, because I'm ready. Hey, man, I'm geeked up. You feel me? I'm geeked up. I'm geeked up. Yeah, I'm geeked up. And yes, for the people in the back with the jokes, yes, I got the same shirt on again today. What, Tim? Why you got the same shirt on again? I'm glad you asked that, little Timmy Rogers, because yesterday I put the shirt on just to do the live stream and announce that the merch shop is open. www.thenewtlr.com. Buy some Spider Gang merch. I put it on just for the live stream, and today I actually wore the shirt in public. So yeah, I got the same shirt on, and what you gonna do about it? Hey man, let's get into this what this is. 4 5 2 22 price action recap. Price action recap. Boom. Save. Okay then. I see all kind of stuff in the chat. We here. What up, Tranisha? What's up, Kashaya? What's up, Anthony? Miss MJ. Chris L. What's up? Oh, Doc in the building. What it is? I said Kashaya. Big B in the building. What's cracking, man? Everybody else, hey, I see you. I see you. I see you. Those just the people that put something in the chat. I see you. I see you. I see you. What we talking about today, man? Y'all know what we talking about today, man. We talking about 5-2-22 price action. Let me get my screen together. So that I can share it. I can share screen. That's the screen I want to share. Share screen. Add to the stream. Boom. Let's get right into it, man. Y'all know what the lick read. We talk about the price action. Speaking of the price action, let me pull this up and make sure I put this on sim. Boop. Put that on sim. Y'all remember that? Hey, y'all remember the other day when I was trying to move this Ninja Trader over here on this screen, and I hit that doggone thing and put myself in that trade? Man, hey, but check this out, man. Even though today turned out to be the exact price action that I wanted to see, right? Anybody that's still on IG, pull up on YouTube. Even though today turned out to be the exact price. What's up, Draco in the building? Draco. Shout out Draco. I appreciate you. I seen your name in the store. I saw Kareem name in the store. I saw Mark trading with a dummy name in the store. I saw who else I saw in the store? I saw Boogie. Boogie finally gonna have a shirt to put on, y'all. Boogie bought a shirt. I saw, and shout out Boogie. Boogie even left your boy a tip. You know what I'm saying? He left me a tip when he bought his shirt. Boogie go finally have a shirt on. Hey, check this out, man. Looking at the price section today, right? I ain't even gonna hold you. I wasn't planning on trading today. What I spent most of my day doing, you feel me? What I spent most of my day doing, if y'all know, everybody who know, let me see. I shared this with y'all before, right here. This little spreadsheet right here. I shared this spreadsheet with y'all before. This right here, get on the screen. This right here is the spreadsheet of the portfolio that I had put together for my mom. I put this together for my mom. I called it the grandkids portfolio. I put this together for my mom right here. This is what I was focusing on today. I say, you know what I'm saying? When I get down to the prices, like I look, all these companies right here, these are the companies that, you know what I'm saying, I looked into. I say, these are the companies I want to start putting into the long-term portfolio for the grandkids account. You know what I'm saying? I say, when they start to get the prices that I want, I'm going to start scaling in, right? So today I did a little shopping. I wasn't planning on trading today. I was just doing a little shopping. You know what I'm saying? I picked up 3 shares of Apple. I got them at $154.98. I picked up 1 share of Microsoft. I got it at 278. I picked up 1 share of Facebook. I got it at 205. I picked up 1 share of Nvidia. I got it at 188. I picked up 1 share of Berkshire Hathaway. I got it at 320. That's the only one that ended down on the day. And I picked up 5 shares of Bank of America. I got them at 36. And then I got 1 share of XLK. I got it at 141.50. Right? Those was the ones that I went into. Oh, and then I also got I bought some call. I bought QQQ. Did I get QQQ for this account? QQQ. Yeah, I got some QQQ calls for this account right here. What did I get? QQ. I bought QQQ for this account. I bought QQQ for my swing account. I bought some SPY in my swing account. I went shopping today. I wasn't trying to trade today, but I went shopping today, and that's what I got right there. And this is based off the money that I put in. Like, this is the money that I put in. So this 27% is based off the money that I put in. It's not based off the entire portfolio. I'm just like with this sheet right here, until I get the entire portfolio invested, I'm only looking at the ROI. I'm only looking at the ROI, the return on investment based off of what I put in until I get all the money invested. Then I'll switch it over to give me the percentage based off of the whole portfolio, because I just want to look at the money that I got invested, because, you know what I'm saying, I don't want to worry about when everything's still sitting in cash. Even though I got a cash allocation, I'm going off of the money that I got invested. That's how I'm running that right there. I just wanted to give y'all that, man, because I want, you know, so I just try to be transparent with y'all on all levels, trading, and everybody don't trade. Some people just, you know what I'm saying, they be wanting to see what's going on with investing too. You feel me? But I ain't even gonna hold you. I wasn't planning on trading today, and looking at the price action from 9:30 to 12:30, in my opinion, price action was doo-doo, because I wasn't trading. It was doo-doo. We was going down. We was going up. We was going down. We was consolidating. It was doo-doo, if you ask me. But the only thing that gave me some hope about the price action is while I was in here going shopping, I kept noticing that the NQ was so strong, right? The NQ was so strong compared to the Dow. Compared to the Dow and the ES, right? So I started peeping. I said, okay, dig it. The NQ ran the lows from the 17th right here. These lows right here, the NQ ran those lows already last week. So the NQ was just chill on. The NQ was chill on. It had already run its lows. You know what I'm saying? And then if you look at the SPY, let me put it on some days. They wasn't even the 17th. Let me get the right date. The NQ, okay, here we go. Right? So the NQ had already, see the NQ here, boop, it came down and it ran the lows like probably overnight. That's the ES. The NQ, it ran the lows already here on this day. So it had already run its lows, and then the ES hadn't got to, y'all remember when I said it was coming to these lows, and I think the ultimate target was this low right here. Y'all see what happened when we got to that low? I ain't got no crystal ball or nothing like that, but you feel me? When we got up under here, I said when we get under here, I'm gonna start scaling in, because I think the ultimate low is right here. You know what I'm saying? But I don't want to see a daily closure no lower than 410 on the SPY. If we can stop from having a daily closure below 410, I believe that this was the area they wanted to come to and take us back up. So when we got below that area, look at the strength the ES came up off of that with. And then the NQ, it stayed steady, Freddy, all day. It did not sink. The Dow, on the other hand, right? The Dow, on the other hand, it sank. Like the NQ, it came down a little bit and it popped back up. But for the most of the day, it stayed steady, Freddy, for the most of the day before it started selling off with the Dow. The Dow was pushing all day. Look at that wick. It was pushing, trying to get down. It got below these lows right here. But this right here, this might be stopping it to take it back up. If this probably as low as the Dow is gonna get. I don't watch the Dow. I ain't assuming to know the Dow, but I'm assuming this where they want to get to, because once they got down there, they wicked up off it just like the ES did. In the NQ had been staying strong all day long. You know what I'm saying? That's just looking at the price action on with the ES with the futures. That's, you know what I'm saying, like up until the afternoon, up until after 12:30, hey, I felt like the price action was doo-doo. Cause see, this is, let me put a box around New York open until 12:30. Cause I was back here to about 11 o'clock shopping. I started shopping at like 9:30. Okay, this is the 9:45 calendar right here. Boom, I started shopping, and then let's go to 12:30. See that? This 12:15, 12:30, boom. Right there. See that? Look at that. Doo-doo. Yeah, it's got some stuff in there. You could have made money. Somebody probably could have made money, you know what I'm saying, in here. But I don't like action like that. I don't like them, you know what I'm saying, them back and forth days like that. I don't like days like that. That's doo-doo price action to me. You zoom up, you zoom back down. You know what I'm saying? Cause we open up here, you know what I'm saying? We kind of consolidate a little bit, then we take off. And then we drop real hard, retracing everything that we just did. And then we consolidate some more. And then we drop off and then come up. Why we couldn't just drop off today and then come up? You feel me? Drop off in the morning, consolidate at the bottom at lunch, and then take off in the afternoon. Don't give me all this, and then after lunchtime, drop off and take off. You know what I'm saying? I don't like days like that. That's why I said it was doo-doo. It probably was plenty of money to be made. Lex even texted me talking some she got a short or something. That's why I disowned her. Talking she got a short or something. Let's pull up the ES real quick, man. Anybody let me see what y'all saying in the chat. I've been running my mouth, man. I ain't even been seeing what y'all been saying in the chat. I'm see what y'all saying in the chat before I pull up the spot. What y'all talk about in the chat? In the morning, Spy did a repeat of Friday. Yup. Yup. I see you out there, Kashaya. I see you out there, Kashaya. With the verbiage. With the verbiage. What up, though? You ain't late, man. You ain't never late. We all, you know what I'm saying? We ain't never late. Y'all know me. I say the same thing over and over. So if you come in late, you gonna hear me say it again. I got sidetracked. Gotta complete my order. Got sidetracked on what? Gotta complete your order. What you trying to do? What that is? You replying to something in the chat? Who that is calling my name? Shake, McCray? 2004? How you say that? McCray? Who that is? What that is? I don't know who that is. What up, though? Can I say that? I ain't from Detroit. What it do? XLK, NVIDIA, and Microsoft are steals right now. Yeah, I got some NVIDIA. I got one NVIDIA, one Microsoft, one XLK, 3 Apples, and I think that's it. Let me see. 3 Apples, 1 Microsoft, 1 Facebook, 1 NVIDIA, and 1 XLK. Yep, that's the tech stuff I got today. Nice. I picked up some I was gonna get JP Morgan. The Big B. This what stopped me from getting JP Morgan. Let's go ahead. Oh my goodness. Did I? Oh no, I didn't. I thought I closed the wrong thing. Let me show you what stopped me from getting JP Morgan, Big B. This is what stopped me. I was gonna get JP Morgan. Right? Because y'all see I got JP Morgan on the list. Where is it? Yeah. See? Right, let me pull this over here. See right here. Right there. See, right there, number 9, JP Morgan. Y'all see I got JP Morgan on the list right there. Line number 9. But let me show you what I got. Berkshire Hathaway, and I got Bank of America. But let me show you what stopped me from getting JP Morgan. I'm getting mad sidetracked right now. Look at the spy. Look, this is what I'm talking about. This is what let me go to JP Morgan and I'm gonna come back. Squirrel. Okay. JP Morgan. This is what stopped me from getting JP Morgan. Right? I may regret it. But see, this is where we at. If you look at JP Morgan, right? Oh, it was so tempting. Because this is the 2020 high. 141 is the get out of here ad. 141 is the 2020 high, right? Just say roughly. Good, close enough for government work. 141 is the 2020 high. We down below the 2020 high, right? Can't beat that. But this is what stopped me from getting it today, right? This is what stopped me from getting it today. This right here. Click there. Click there. Got this. I got this snap on, so that right there, that big gap. There's a gap right there. See, it ain't no action in that little area right there. It ain't no action in that area right there. Nothing. It's a full, complete gap right there. It's a full. That's the only thing that stopped me from buying JP Morgan today. When I saw that, I said, oh no, I can't scale in now because we coming down. We in a confirmed downtrend. You know what I'm saying? We in a steep downtrend at that. And it's a full gap right here. I'm sorry, I'm turned away from the mic. And it's a full gap right here. So that's the only thing that stopped me from going into JP Morgan today. What up, cousins? Spider Gang. Hope y'all. Oh yeah, hope y'all had a green day too. I forgot to say that. I took the 1015. Oh, I took it up at 1015, then got out, re-entered for the 104 upside in the afternoon. That's what's up, Doc. Bang! Just like he said, just like Kevo said. This is my third week with Jay the Trader. With Jay Trader. Talk about Jay the Trader, talk about Jason Sweden, that's what's up. If you talk about Jason Sweden, that's what's up. If you talk about somebody else, it's another Jay the Trader out there. I oopsed up on him on what's that little young dude name? Mr. Something. He used to rock with EYL, but he don't rock with EYL no more. What it said? Oh, that's why you layering. Yeah, okay. That's why you layering. You ain't missed nothing, Kareem. I appreciate you, Kareem. I saw your name in the Lawrence. That's his name, Mr. Lawrence. Yeah, I oopsed up on him on his because he kept saying Jay the Trade, and I thought he was talking about Jason, but it's a different dude. So it's a different Jay the Trade out there though. But I appreciate you, Kareem. I saw your name in the shop for placing your order. Yeah, I saw the name in the shop for placing the order. Now let's get back to the spot, man. Let's get back to the spot. I couldn't have asked for y'all see what I put on here? Now we already know way back here what I was talking about. I said I think we coming down below these equal lows, and I think this is the ultimate target, right? That's what I said. I ain't got no crystal ball. Hey, the market can come out. They come out tomorrow. FOMC meeting, do something. They might, you know what I'm saying, do something crazy. Somebody might blow something up and this thing could tank. I ain't got no crystal ball. But I said I do not want to see a daily closure below 410. This is after I had already bought my because I said when I get below these equal lows, I'm gonna start scaling into my leaps. You know what I'm saying? So I took half the money I got set aside for leaps and bought some 435 January 2024 SPY calls. You know what I'm saying? That's I took because I got, like I said, for anybody that don't know, for my larger portfolio, 50% of my larger portfolio is dedicated to leaps that's longer than a year. You know what I'm saying? 25%, no, let me see, 50%, that's half. Yeah, then 25% is dedicated to swings from 6 months to a year. Then 15% is dedicated for anything less than 6 months. And then 10% is dedicated for cash. So I took half of that money for the leaps and I put it into the SPY calls for January 2024. I'm layering into it. So I was like, if we don't get, I don't want to see a closure below 410. That's this green line. That's below these lows right here on this date, right? So we came down into it. When we got down into it, we wicked up off it. That's making me feel real good. I don't know if y'all can see that wick because it looked kind of small. Let me open it up. It looked kind of small on when I look at it, see what y'all seeing. Make that a little bit bigger for y'all. I jalapise for that. Yeah, let's make that boom. So, right? So once we got down into it, we wicked up off it real good. So I'm happy about that. I'm real happy about that. I couldn't have asked for this to play out no better than how it played out today. We opened up, we sold all the way down here on the SPY, and then we ricocheted off of them lows, and we, you know what I'm saying, we closed relatively high on the counter. We, you know what I'm saying, we sold back down a little bit, but all in all, we closed relatively high on the counter. So now what I want to see is some follow through. You know what I'm saying? I don't want it to come back down. You know what I'm saying? I'll take a little consolidation, then a takeoff. You know what I'm saying? I'll take a takeoff, then a pullback. But I want it to stair step up. I'm tired of these big days like this right here. These big, long, massive candles. I'm sick of it. I'm tired. Look how big this candle is. This candle, how many, what is that right there? Let me see how long that candle is just for today. Just for today, click to the bottom. That's $11 candle. That's, you know what I'm saying? That count, that's $11 range on that candle. $10.90 for the SPY. You know what I'm saying? That's $11 range. That means that's $5.50 to the top, $5.50 to the bottom if you just split it in half. That's very volatile, man. That's a lot of moving. So, like I say, I can't ask for no better way for it to be playing out right now. I told y'all Friday, Sunday, whatever, Friday. I told y'all Friday I scaled into the 435 calls on the SPY. Today, when we went down, I got for my smaller account, I got in a tad bit early on my I got some June for, what was it? I got the looks. I got some June for I got the look. Y'all hold on. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. I gotta look. I ain't update my spreadsheet yet. Man, how long is it gonna take to come on? There it is. How long is it gonna take to come up? That thing take forever. Computer running like slow. Okay. I got some positions. Okay, I got some June 17th 420 calls for my small account, and I got some cute, and I got in early on those. I got in slightly early today. I could have got a way better price, you know what I'm saying, but the price action was acting trash, and where I thought it was gonna bounce from, it didn't bounce from there. We actually went down a little bit from there, but I ended the day up 12% on the June Jesus Christ. Tim came to my talk. Y'all hold on for a second, man. Let's do it like this right here. So, can I bring this over here? Oh man, this is gonna get on my nerve. There you go, right there. Okay, so here you go. June. I got the June 17th 420 calls, and I ended up 12%, right? Even though I got in early. I could have got a way better price than this, but where I thought it was gonna bounce from, it didn't bounce there. I got these before I left out of here for lunch. And so if I would have waited and got these till later, because I got the QQQs later in the day. I was trying to get into the Qs, man, and that thing was running off and leaving me so bad. It wouldn't give me a retracement like I wanted to. You know what I'm saying? It wouldn't give me a retracement like I wanted it to give me a retracement. So I just wait till it broke. I wait till it broke a certain high. And once it broke that high, I just went in. I went in. I switched up my entry strategy on them cues because it wasn't retracing. And if I would have just went in at the beginning like I wanted to, man, I would probably be up probably a good 60-70% on them cues right now. Cause when I was trying to get in, oh my goodness, the price was bottom. But I and the cues that I got is for what 6 5 this week. It's for this week. It's for the end of the week. Right? The cues is for this Friday. The cues are for this Friday, and the SPY 420 call is for June. This is like a longer term play. The Q is like a short term swing. I'm trying to catch the momentum on this Qs. The SPY, you know what I'm saying? The SPY, I'm just doing a little bit longer on the SPY because I want to see the SPY come back up to a certain area. I'll show you that in a minute. But that's what, and I got that and I got that same Qs play for my mama portfolio too, right? And so where I want to see the SPY get to, the reason why I got them Junes, I want to see the SPY come back up and fill this fair value gap right here before I start looking into trying to get out of those June 420 calls. I'm looking for it to come up here and fill this fair value gap before I start trying to get out of those June calls. If we get up here and break this high, I can't even see nothing. Get out the way. There you go. Once we break this high right here, you know what I'm saying? Once we start breaking this swing high right here from the 28th of April, then I'm gonna start looking into like protecting profits really, really heavy. But what I wanted to do, I wanted to at least get up and fill this fair value gap right here before I try to get out. That's my target before I try to get out. Once I get to this target right here, you know what I'm saying? All I'm going to do is put in a super, super tight stop loss. I'm putting in a super tight stop loss once we fill this fair value gap, because at the end of the day, if the market decided it want to go all the way back up here before up here and run these buy stops before it sell back down again, hey, I'm already in the play. You know what I'm saying? That's just my target. I'm just gonna lock in a real tight stop loss and just let it run. You feel me? That's all I'm gonna do. You know, but that's just like a quick recap of what I saw in the price action today. A quick update of what I got going on, what I'm doing. Hey, trade what you see. You know what I'm saying? See, I hate you, Doc. I hate you. Get out that chat. To the gap, Lawrence. Yeah. Jada Trader. Oh, somebody say Jada Trader do SPY options. The other dude. Calls. I don't know. Say the number not here. Okay. Yeah, man, that's it, man. That's all I got. Do anybody got anything? Shout out to cousin Sean. Shout out to cousin Sean. Sean came on and got a fully realized one-on-one the other day. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a fiduciary. I'm not a mentor, but I will answer a question if a cousin got a question. If I got the answer, I'm going to share it for the free 99. You feel me? So the cousin Roy Sean got a fully realized one-on-one. Before I get out of here, do anybody want to pull up and say anything? Do anybody want to pull up and say anything? Do anybody want to pull up and ask anything? Do anybody want to pull up and share anything? Boom, I just put the link in the chat. If you want to do it, go ahead and pull up. I give it about a minute or two to see if anybody click on it. But yeah, man, like I was saying, I want to see the price action get back up to a certain level. I honestly think the market has digested all of the bad news right now. I honestly think it has digested all of the bad news, as we saw, you know what I'm saying, based off of trend line trading, the downtrend. We have confirmed the downtrend, but it's not as steep. So the selling is running out of gas. You know what I'm saying? The selling is running out of gas, so it's not as steep. That's the link if anybody want to pull up. The selling is like kind of running out of gas. You know what I'm saying? The market been down, down, down. A lot of good companies are on sale right now. That big money ain't gonna just stay on the sideline forever. You know what I'm saying? That big money ain't gonna just because big tech was getting beat up. You know what I'm saying? When big tech go on sale, when you got this much big tech on sale, them big boys they ain't gonna just let it go forever. You know what I'm saying? Cause they want some performance now. They got a job to keep. They got a job to keep. They want some performance. They got a job to keep, and they ain't gonna keep their job. You know what I'm saying? Putting all their money into Procter and Gamble. Procter and Gamble, a good company to have. That's, you know what I'm saying? That's like a steady Eddie. You know what I'm saying? Procter and Gamble steady Eddie. Procter and Gamble like the Microsoft of consumer staples. You know what I'm saying? That's a steady Eddie. You know what I'm saying? Microsoft a steady Eddie over here in tech, but it's like not at all these tech names like these chips. All these chips and all of these high flying growth companies, a lot of the air been, you know what I'm saying, released out of that bubble, man. A lot of the fat been trimmed off. And you know what I'm saying, like them people that trade PE ratios, you know what I'm saying, they trade PE, man. Them folks jumping on stuff like Facebook, you know what I'm saying? Facebook deeply discounted. It's, you know, it's a good company. So people jumping on them good companies that's discounted. All that fluff. Remember when I talking about what it was, JP Morgan? JP Morgan down below the 2020. I think they hit a new 52-week low today. Yeah, today I think they hit a new 52-week low. That's what really made me look at it. But it's like they down below the 2020 highs. You know what I'm saying? We back at pandemic levels with JP Morgan. You know what I'm saying? We back to when the stock market was like the real stock market with JP Morgan. You know what I'm saying? All that fluff that's been going on in 2020, 2021. I ain't been like investing forever, but I research everything. I do research on everything. So I know 2020 was an anomaly and 2021 wasn't like realistic. You know what I'm saying? Like now we getting to a point where, you know what I'm saying, you're gonna have to know how to trade to be a trader. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna have to know how to, you know what I'm saying, look at economics and fundamentals to be a good investor. It ain't no more jump on Clubhouse and call out any ticker cause it's gonna go up. Them days gone, man. You feel me? But what's going on, Red? What I say? I will pull up. I'm at work on a fire truck. Okay, then that's what's up, man. I appreciate you, Kareem. My homeboy stay out in Cali named Mike. He a firefighter, man. I appreciate you for your service, man. I was in the military, so I know how it is going out there, you know what I'm saying, doing stuff, being selfless like that right there. I appreciate you, my brother. Salute. Read that Buffett. Oh, you read that Buffett is doing a whole lot of buying. Buffett always buying, man. With his old funny talking tail. Buffett and Munger, I think his name, man, them old men so funny, man. I was sitting up there listening to their annual thing the other day. Man, them old men so funny. They so sarcastic. And when you get old and got money like that, you can say anything to anybody, man. Them cats had me rolling. But yeah, you say AMD caused by, man, AMD dead to me, Gerald. AMD is dead to me. Now I'm playing. AMD, they I don't like the with, yeah, AMD cool. I ain't got nothing bad to say about AMD. AMD just got a long way to go as far as like convincing the market. AMD got a long way to go as far as convincing the market. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what it is about AMD. I don't know if it's the leadership. I don't know if it's like the other semiconductor and tech companies like got Wall Street in their pocket, but like I just feel like AMD got a long way to go to convince the market that they that company. You know what I'm saying? So AMD a good company, man. I used to ride or die with AMD, but hey man, I had to shift my focus. Yes, Munger is a savage. You feel me? Hey, I don't count 2020. Yep, you can't do it. You can't count it with the seasonality. Who got? Oh, AMD got earnings tomorrow. Okay, yeah. Sound like legs. Wait, D. Yeah, man. Hey, I appreciate y'all for pulling up, man. That's what I was gonna say. I lost my train of thought, man. I'm getting old. Hey, appreciate y'all for pulling up. I appreciate y'all for supporting the YouTube channel, man. I got an email today telling me that my channel is eligible to monetize it, and all I got to do is apply for it. You know what I'm saying? So I was on YouTube for like over 2 years, but a long time ago when YouTube first came out. I got on YouTube in like 2006. That's when YouTube like first came out, right? And I used to make beat videos. You know what I'm saying? And then I left YouTube because I ain't really know nothing about it. That's back when you could just monetize off the rip. You know what I'm saying? Then I came back and I was doing the Adventures of Super Dad with my family. Y'all go look at some of them Adventures of Super Dad videos if y'all just want to see how life was, how life be around here. I was vlogging for like over 2 years. You know what I'm saying? Over 2 years I was vlogging. And in them 2 years, I think I gained like 200 subscribers, right? Nowhere near the 1,000 requirement. And I think I had like about 600 or 700 watch hours. You know what I'm saying? And to be monetized, you got to have over 1,000 subscribers and you got to have over 4,000 watch hours. And those the two hard ones. And the other one's just you got to verify your account, and you can't have no more than 3 community strikes, right? Them the 4 requirements to become monetized. And I started doing Tim's Tidbits on YouTube in February this year, because I was just doing it on Instagram. I started doing it on YouTube in February this year. Oh, and them 4,000 watch hours got to be in the last 12 months. It's got to be all in 1 year. You can't have 1,000 watch hours from 6 years ago and 2,000. You know, it's got to be all within the last 12 months, right? So from February up until now, because of y'all, it's like 1,280 something subscribers. So I gained over 1,000 subscribers because I only had 200 from the Adventures of Super Dad. So I got over 1,000 subscribers since February, and I got over 4,000 watch hours since February. So within 2 months, I done did everything within 2 months that I couldn't do in 2 years with the Adventures of Super Dad. But they always say growing a YouTube channel for vlogging is way harder than anything else. But it ain't about growing a YouTube channel. It's about giving out this information for the free 99. I would never, and I repeat, I would never charge anybody for this information, right? If y'all want to support me, go to the newtlr.com and buy some merch, right? Buy some merch. That's how you can support me. Oh, and before I get out of here, do anybody on here or know anybody on here, any businesses that want to sponsor the Discipline Over Dollars tour, right? I'm gonna start doing it in Columbus, Georgia. I'm gonna do it at the library here in Columbus, Georgia, because at the library here you can get the auditorium for free. And what the Discipline Over Dollars tour is, I'm just gonna go post up here. I'm gonna do it at the library because I ain't got to pay for the venue. Post up, and I'm gonna do free stuff like I do on YouTube right here. I'm gonna do it for free in person. So if anybody on here, you know what I'm saying, want to sponsor me to come to your area, all you got to do is if it's within 200 miles, I drive there. You know what I'm saying? But it's outside of 200 miles, you got to fly me there. Get me there, feed me, get the place. You know what I'm saying? Get the venue or whatever it is. Get me there, feed me, get the venue, and have me somewhere to stay. I'll pull up and we can do, you know what I'm saying, just like I do right here, we'll do it in live in person. You know what I'm saying? I really wish it be like younger people there, like 18, 19, you know what I'm saying, people that can open up their own accounts and, you know what I'm saying, groom the young ones. If you know somebody that want to do it, holla at your boy. I would never charge anybody for this financial information that I have gained. I appreciate y'all, man. If y'all in Columbus, Georgia, pull up to the main library. I give you the dates. I got to go in and schedule when I get the room, get the auditorium, because I used to do it. I used to teach I ain't gonna say teach. I used to do workshops and go over like videography and photography at the library back in the day. That's when I wanted to do that. You know what I'm saying? I'm all about giving back to the community. But when I book the dates, I'll let y'all know. If you in Columbus, Georgia, or close to Columbus, Georgia, pull up, man. Pull up. Pull up. How long I've been doing this? I started in 2020, man. I started in 2020. I'm about, IG, I'm about to hang up on y'all. My homie Kurt is calling me. I'm hanging up on y'all, IG. What's up, Kurt?
What's up, Mr. Big Money?
Oh, man. I'm like, hey, look here. I got to go, y'all. My homeboy Kurt is calling me. That's a famous YouTuber. Y'all go check out the Curly Coopers if y'all ain't never seen their page, man. That's a beautiful family. Holla at them. Y'all subscribe. Till the next time, y'all know what it is, man. I'm gone. Yeah. What's up, Kurt?